Now, because the paper I'm using is particularly fibrous, and any surface fibres, especially when writing with a metal nib, may catch the fibres and of course spoil the writing. So what we can do in this case is to prime the surface. There's many different primes we can use. I'm using a really old-fashioned one, which is egg white. So you separate the from the yolk. Now, I let this down a little bit with some water because the egg white over the time will become very brittle, and this is rather thick. We need to whisk it to a nice foam, and it's the actual foam itself that we take as the prime. Now you can see here it's starting to foam. Now we don't need much. Now this can be painted on either directly onto the wet paper, or after it's dried, but then you have to dry it again. So just briskly and broadly brush on the foam, all directions. You don't want to overbrush because this will start to pull up the fibres of the paper again. Now you can see where you have brushed because it's slightly whiter in colour. There, that should be nice and even. Once the paper is dry, still a little bit fibrous, we can use an agate, piece of agate, polished agate tool, to rub the surface, to iron out, flatten out any more blemishes. And this gives a certain sheen to the paper, which the pen, when writing with ink, can glide over more easily.